So we're here in Copenhagen, as you would have seen. I literally haven't picked up the camera to speak to you guys, and we're already on our like second day. But yeah, it's been a really mad trip actually. So I'm actually here for work. So had a meeting today with Alum, who are a huge retailer over here. They're like the Selfridges. They're actually owned by Selfridges. So if you're familiar with Selfridges in the UK, very similar kind of retailer. So I had a meeting with them and it went really, really well. And apart from that, we've just been really enjoying Copenhagen. I absolutely love it here. I've been here before, but not for a few years. And yeah, I've just always loved the vibe here. It's so nice. And yeah, it's just such a vibe. That's all I can say. Such a vibe. So yeah, we've had a really nice day. Like I say, I had a meeting this afternoon. And then we went to a really nice bakery. I'm trying to remember now what I actually vlogged. And we went to a really, really amazing museum, kind of gallery thing as well. And yeah, just came back. Just been working because it's a work trip. And I'm just off for dinner now with some of my clients. I've actually got a brand. I look after a brand called Kunki. If you're not familiar with them, check them out. They're absolutely incredible. Beautiful skincare line. And yeah, I'm just off to meet the team now because I haven't actually met them in person, which is so weird because I literally speak to them every day. But I haven't had the chance to get out here, so I'm gonna go and meet with the team now. So I'm really, really excited about that. And yeah, I'm here with my sister. So my sister's just gonna chill tonight. I think she's gonna head out and have some food on her own. And yeah, I'm just really looking forward to the next couple of days. We've got about 2 nights left here. Got another meeting tomorrow. And then apart from that, we're just gonna chill, continue to explore Copenhagen. And yeah, I'll just keep you all updated. So I'm in a rush. I'm actually going to be late, but always time for an OOTD. So I've got my H&M linen trousers on, which you might have seen in a recent haul. And then I've got my Birkenstocks on, because I'm just keeping it really comfy and casual. And then I've got my Arket shirt on, which is a good old staple of mine. And then you can't really see it, but I've got a H&M racer top underneath just because it's a bit chilly. And then I've got my vintage blazer, which I got from a charity shop. And I've also got my Loewe bag as well. The beautiful baby herself. Just to finish off the look. I actually vlogged my dinner last night, but it was really, really nice. We ended up going to this Asian restaurant called the Market Asia, and the food was incredible. We had like a 12-course tasting menu. I think I might have some photos on my phone that I can like pop a clip in now. But I would definitely recommend that if you're visiting Copenhagen. It's a really, really beautiful Asian food. We had like Wagyu beef. We had sushi, we had tuna tacos. It was just delicious, really, really nice. And it was so nice to finally meet with the Kunki team. Like I was saying, I've been working with them for a while and we've still not met. So yeah, it was so nice to finally meet them all. We're just in a bit of a rush now, so I'm doing my makeup in the taxi because we're just on our way for breakfast at this place called the 1611, which is in a slightly different area to where we've been staying. So we're having to get a cab there now, and then I'm going to be meeting with the rest of the Kunki team in the office this afternoon. Well, no, actually not this afternoon, this morning at 10:30. So that's why we're in a bit of a rush. So I'm doing my makeup in the cab now. I'm just going to do my natural, everyday, easy makeup. And yeah, we're going to go and have some breakfast now.
You got something that I need. Yeah, I need. You got something that I need. Yeah, I need. You got me in my feelings. Can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings.
budge because I've got my back to the window, but yeah, I've got this gorgeous dress on by this brand called, what's it called? I've forgotten the name. It's a beautiful brand though. What I'll do is I'll link it below, but it's a bit sad because it looks like it's going to rain, so that's why I've got my blazer on top of it. But it's like this gorgeous cotton black maxi dress, and I just love it so much. So yeah, I'm hoping the sun comes out for a bit so I can get a nice photo in it, but I'm not feeling very confident, to be honest. But yeah, we're just going to go and have a nice stroll now. It's the last night, so we're going to go and get some dinner. There's a really nice wine bar that we both want to go to called Pompeii, so we're going to head there as well. But yeah, it's just been such a nice trip, hasn't it, May? And yeah, it's just been a nice day. I've been to visit some clients, and yeah, it's just been a really, really nice trip. Quick, busy, but so nice. So yeah, off for dinner now. So, quick update. We were just on our way out for dinner. It's about 4 o'clock, but we were just going to go for a little stroll. I feel like I've been really busy with like meetings and work basically, so we really wanted to enjoy our last evening together, me and my sister. So we're like, let's head out for an early dinner, go for a wander, go to this wine bar. And honestly, I can't even tell you, the heavens have completely opened. I've not seen rain like it in so long. And yeah, so we've just come tired in this little underground salad bar. I've got this black cotton dress on. I'm basically dressed for LA or like San Tropez. So yeah, we're just waiting for it to calm down, and then we're going to try and, what are we going to do? We're going to brave it, aren't we? Or get a taxi. It does look like it's slowing down, which is a good thing, but just our luck. To be honest, we have had awful weather since we've been here. I mean, the last few times I've been to Copenhagen, it's been like January, so it's been freezing cold. So it has been a slight improvement. It's not -1, but yeah, we've been really unlucky, and apparently the weather's been really nice here as well, so that's a bit of a shame. But yeah, hopefully it's that thunder again. If I hear things. But yeah, we're hoping it slows down, and yeah, we can just head out and just explore and have a nice last night.